Greetings. Welcome back to Ham Radio Test and Review. Today, I'm going to try and extend the range of my ClearNode, which is an All-Star Link, Echolink, and DMR node. The ClearNode, as some of you know, is a half a watt or less of transmit power, and it has a little tiny stubby antenna, about 1.5 inches long. So what I've done here is I've set up this radio here on the right to transmit directly to my ClearNode. It's set for low power, and it transmits to my ClearNode, which is on the other side of the room from me, and it is on a simplex frequency. And from there, it's connected into the repeater box, which is a Surecom SR-629. From there, it's connected to this radio, which is connected to my external base station antenna, and it transmits on a different frequency, about 3 megahertz higher than what the node transmits on. The radio on the left is connected to my external base station antenna, and it runs through the little amplifier that I have set up next to the power supply. That provides approximately 35 to 40 watts of transmit power. So when this radio transmits back from the ClearNode, it'll transmit out with quite a bit of power, and hopefully I'll get quite a few miles of range between it and my mobile unit in my truck, which also has 50 watts of power. Okay, let's see how this unit works. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is N8DAV doing an online test.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is N8DAV doing an online test.
So you can see that the ClearNode is set up in parrot mode. So anything I say to it will actually repeat it back. So once again, when I transmit using a handheld receiver or my mobile unit, it is transmitting into this radio. The radio is receiving it from my external antenna. It is then sending the audio to the repeater box. The repeater box then starts to transmit that into this radio, which is transmitting directly to my simplex node. The node then repeats back everything that I say, since it's in parrot mode, and it then receives that information, transmits it to the repeater box. The repeater box then sends it over to this radio, which then transmits it out my external antenna over to my linear amplifier, and hopefully I'll get several miles, probably about 6 or 7 miles. Very good. Anyway, here is my setup to extend the range of my ClearNode, and hopefully this is going to work well.